Alright guys, so check out how this indicator that I created keeps you out of all these nonsense rangy markets. Okay, I call it the fusion screener. Right, it's got a moving average plus oscillator plus range breakout plus angle filter. Okay, so all these, the moving averages and oscillators, range breakouts, and moving average angle have to match in order for you to get a signal. Okay, um, with this other indicator right here, the range zones, right, is this one, right? It identifies when the market is ranging, right? And I have this indicator over here coded into this one. Okay, I just put that one in there so you have an idea. These are the signals right here. Okay, all these markets ranging here, breakout, you see, boom, you got the signal over here. And this little thing over here, that's the exit. You got to exit over here. So it keeps you out of all this nonsense. Okay, so but you can also change the settings so you can, so it's not as sensitive and it doesn't kick you out so fast. Okay, for example, let's say over here, let's do change this here to a 20. See, it keep you a little longer on that trade. Okay, so you would have entered over here and got you out over here. Okay, that's 3 points, some point. That's not much, but it keeps you profitable. Over here, enter over here again, boom, one more time. And if the trend is strong, right, it keeps you there even longer. So another entry over here, right? Boom, went down 33 points on ES, right? Actually, it keeps you out over here right around 25 points. Okay, give you another entry over here. Boom, went down 4 points. Then you could have exit right there. If when it went against you on that candle, it kicks you out. Okay, if you move your stop loss to break even, you would have been good, right? You don't have to take that loss. Right now, the market opened just now, right? And it went that big ass candle up, right? In other occasions, I would have entered on that candle, but because I have the indicator, all the conditions didn't align, so I didn't get the signal. So I'm safe. I haven't taken any trades today, and I'm glad, because it's just a bunch of nonsense and mess. I'm gonna wait until I get an actual breakout with all those conditions apply, and then I will enter the trade, and then I will come back and see how it went. As you can see, for the most part, you get some profits every time you get a signal. This one was a very good signal. Boom, all the way down, a bunch of points. Over here, not bad either. Let me change the setting back to the way I have them normally. Okay. This greater areas, that's another indicator that I created too, but it's not the one that we're talking about today. But boom, entry over here, 8 points on ES. Entry over here, right after the breakout of the range. Boom, it didn't continue, so it got you out at 1.5 points on ES. Boom, you're like, I'm out. And then that's nothing. That's a very small stop, right, on ES. So it keeps you protected. Over here, a very fast breakout to the downside, but this is the Asian session, so usually I don't mess with this. This is boom. It gets you when 3.25 points. Then the market start going back up against you and gets you out basically at break even. You got this exit signal right here. Boom, it gets you out. I think this is a very good indicator. Got an entry over here doing the New Year's session. This is the 2-minute chart, by the way. Boom, entry over here. Bam, bam, bam. Market didn't go up as much. Got you out right there at 1.25 stop loss. I mean, exit signal, meaning you only lost a point and a quarter on ES. So it basically is a very good risk management on its own too. Entry over here. This candle took you out, right? 0.75 points in profit right before it went all the way against you. But if you're smart, you know, maybe you have a 5-point profit target. This would have been a winning trade, okay? Because this one went 8 points, okay? So now this indicator I haven't published yet, and once I publish it, I don't know, but I don't think I will release this one for free. I put a lot of brains into this one, but you know, you're not gonna get a lot of signals with the settings that I have on right now. You know, I want the absolute best signals, like these ones. See, sell over here, boom. How many points? 20 points on ES, right? What is that? So if you can, this is this blue EMA, it's a 9 EMA, okay? So you can actually, you enter, boom, over here, you can trail on the, behind the EMA, and you would have exited over here, right? When it broke the EMA at 12.5 points. Not bad, right? So yeah, that basically that's the indicator. So let me know what you guys think. Okay. Oh, my username on TradingView is readysetfire. I have a lot more indicators in there, right? This one is one of them that is already published. You have to request access to use this one. This one here is basically on. You got entry and exit signals as well. Okay, entry over here, exit over there. This is basically it looks for a moving average that's matching angle, or the slope is going up or down on 4 different time frames. Okay, and you can set the time frames yourself on the settings. This one is for 2, 5, 15, and 30 minutes. The EMA 9. Okay, and it slope look back bars 6. So on 6 bars, it looks back and it look at the angle of the moving average. So that's basically it for today. Please like the video and subscribe. I'm actually seeing if I get a signal possibly on the way down. Looks like the price, the market's gonna break on the way down. This is today's October 9. So no signals for me yet, no trades today. So I'm waiting. Let's see what's up.